Yeah, sorry I haven't made a YouTube video in a while, but I just wanted to show something I got very recently. Dodge Charger SE, and it is supposedly a blacktop. I used to think it was a black label, but yeah, it ain't really it doesn't really have the black top, so that's why I keep saying black label, because it doesn't make fucking sense. All that trunk space right there, just all that trunk space. So if I'm all over the place here. Oh, and behind here is, if I can by some miracle get it open, voila, got myself a spare tire, and apparently it's a spare, I don't know if it's a spare battery, or I know it's plugged in, so I guess it's, and you can barely see it, but I guess it's an extra battery, maybe for the accessories in the car. Stay. Okay, so I'll show you the rest of the car. Over here, I wish I had a light on here. So, yeah, you can't see shit in there. Fuck. Let me see if I can turn on the accessory. Oh, come on, man. Barely sees jack squat. There you go. Just turn the light on as much as I can. As you can see, the cup holders actually do light up, but got this, you don't have to see it all the time. Yeah, over here we just got the electronic dashboard over here, and I know it's already becoming an awkward ass video. Hold on, so I can just stop this damn noise. You can already see my average over here. The whole dashboard here is actually customizable. You know, all I have to do is press, you can barely see my finger here, but all I have to do is press this. You can change it. It's awesome. And of course, had the obligatory glove compartment with a change tray over here. Duh. There's also this extra lug nut over here that allows you to take off the lug nut covers. Oh, and also here, that in the glove compartment, there's also a illuminated SD card, USB, and AUX cord cable. Yeah, pretty nice. Hey, close that shit. Sorry. Oh, I fucking forgot about that. Let's stop doing that. So, yeah, just a glove compartment. I put my driver's manual over there. Instructions manual. Alright, so yeah, it's decent with room. It also has a backup sensor, not a backup camera, like the Dodge Charger has. Because in the Dodge Charger, you have way less. Visibility. But, however, and I have to bring the car back. Holy crap! I am way too far ahead. Decided to turn on the light. So, yeah, did not plan that one through. Okay, so, of course I was stupid enough to think that opening up the hood would just simply give you barely enough to see the engine, but it's a 3.6 liter V6 engine. And of course I'm dumb enough to actually think that I would find some light in here. Nope, not really. But I'll probably try and make an add in a second video just to see if I can somehow, by any miracle, show more of the car. So yeah, new car, new life. Not really. And anyone looking at this on YouTube who doesn't follow me on Car Throttle would not know anything about me whatsoever. Same thing for Tumblr. So, I hope you... So, if you're just following... If you just bleh. Wow, I'm an idiot. If you are just viewing this video for the very first time, be sure to see me on Car Throttle and Tumblr.com. And well, yeah, this is already an awkward video, but yeah, just tell me what you like about the car in general. All right, bye.